In this video, we're going to look at example 2, where we use inverse variation. So in an inverse variation, x equals 10 when y is equal to 3. They want us to write an equation to represent the inverse variation, and then find the value of y when x equals 6. So let's start with our inverse variation formula. Let's not scroll. We know that y is equal to k over x. And they tell us that when x equals 10, y is equal to 3. And we don't know what k is. That's what we're trying to figure out. Okay. So to solve for k, all we need to do is multiply each side by 10. And then we wind up with 30 is equal to k. So if we go back up to our previous note, that's our constant of variation, all right, this highlighted term here. So k is going to be equal to 30. Next, write an equation to represent the inverse variation. Okay, so let's write that equation. Our k value, so that equation would be y is equal to 30 over x. All right, so this would be the equation, the first part of the request from them. Next, we want to find the value of y when x is equal to negative 6. So all we need to do is take this y equals 30 over x, plug in x as negative 6, and then in this case we just divide it. So y is equal to negative 5. All right, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Inverse variation problems are pretty much as easy as you're seeing here. They're usually going to give you 2 of the 3 variables, and then you just need to find the third one. When they give you x and y, it's almost a guarantee that they're looking for the formula. They're probably not going to say solve for k. They're probably going to ask for the equation. So you'll have to write the equation out like we did down here. So just be aware of that, and do make sure that you answer the question that they ask, or whatever the command is, whatever it's asking in this problem. All right, there you go. That's example 2.